Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Wednesday morning, it's the 8th day of January on a chilly Wednesday morning. Temperatures right around the freeze mark here at dawn, but a nice day ahead. So on this video, I'm going to bring you up to date on the Saturday severe weather threat. As I mentioned yesterday, this is not a standard severe weather threat. Typically in the winter, we might see a level 1 marginal risk or a level 2 slight risk. This is a higher concern, and I want to bring you up to date on timing. I have a new map coming up from the Storm Prediction Center and some other graphics to drive home the point that all of us need to start preparing for what could be a significant severe weather event on Saturday. So we have a nice day today after a chilly start with a high temperature. I think that will climb into the 60s with high pressure right over the state of Alabama. So enjoy this nice quiet day with sunshine and light winds. Boy, the winds were gusty yesterday, right? Today's high 64, tonight slowed down to about 36. And even tomorrow, I think we are still dry. Clouds on the increase, but high temperatures in the upper 60s on Thursday. There could be some rain by late Thursday night, but a better chance of scattered showers with a northward moving warm front during the day Friday, and I think the risk of showers will continue Friday night. We note that strong storm system with a busy severe weather day out to the west of us in Arkansas and Louisiana on Friday. And here is our severe weather threat from the Storm Prediction Center on Saturday. They continue the enhanced severe weather risk covering a big chunk of western and central Alabama. That gets our attention because the threat of severe thunderstorms and tornadoes will be particularly high in a situation like that. And the National Weather Service in Birmingham has decided to include all of the area, all the way back to the Georgia line in the enhanced risk area. This is level 3 out of 5. The action beginning early in West Alabama at 9 a.m. and going through 6 p.m. with tornadoes and damaging wind gusts up to 70 miles per hour, perhaps some significant tornadoes as well. So this is the setup Saturday morning at 9 a.m. on the European, with the front in north-central Mississippi moving towards the Alabama line. Action beginning along the Mississippi-Alabama line early, perhaps a tornado watch already in effect. Saturday noon, the front has made it into near the Alabama-Mississippi line, and this is a snapshot of what's called instability and shear. When you put two of the most important ingredients together, you come up with the K index, which is very high in central Alabama, Saturday at noon. Then Saturday afternoon at 3 p.m., the front moving into eastern Alabama, and that's where the severe weather threat will be from central Alabama to the Georgia border. And by Saturday at 6 p.m., the front should be exiting the state of Alabama, and that will end the severe weather threat. Sunday, the front has made it through, and the precipitation ends for a while, but it could begin again, perhaps a few showers by late Sunday into Sunday night, and that's because the front will be moving northward as a warm front. So here's the chance of showers returning on Sunday night with the old front, and I think Monday will be a very wet day across the area as well, with on and off locally heavy rainfall, and I think that will continue on Tuesday as well. So when you add up all the weekend rain plus the rain next week, the 7-day rainfall totals could be excessive, maybe 3 to 5 inches in parts of South Alabama, some places farther north 5 to 6 inches, and with the rivers already running high, that could cause a flooding potential. We'll have to watch that next week. So let's review. Tomorrow's high temperature up to about 68 after a chilly start. 73 on Friday with scattered showers. There's the severe weather threat Saturday with a high temperature up to about 76. Fuel for the fire, 90% chance with the severe thunderstorms and possible tornadoes. Sunday evening, the rain returns, and that continues on Monday. Monday's high up to about 70. Later in the month, on the 17th, that's way out there, the GFS indicates the log jam could be broken. Some colder air could start to filter into our area. We'll be watching that. That's way out there. We hope you have our weather app on your phone or tablet now. Please download it, get it on there, and it will have advanced interactive radar for you, plus push notifications for watches and warnings. It knows where you are. You'll get an instant cue on your phone, plus an audio alert as well. Go to the App Store and search Rich Thomas Weather. Get it now. So some of the things you could do to prepare this early would be find out all your family's plans, where everybody is planning to be. If you live in a manufactured home, be ready to visit a more substantial structure. when a tornado watch is issued. You follow me? That would be a good thing. So think about these things now, and we'll continue to update the details of this severe weather event as we get closer and closer. Live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1, live on Alabama Rising on CBS 8 and ABC 32, and another very important video for you tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. as we continue to focus on new details on this severe weather threat on Saturday. I hope you have a good day today. Our forecast whenever you want it on the Blue Water family of stations, twice an hour across the dial on 8 stations. I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.